Hello beautiful people of the internet, I hope you are well. That's me being cheeky. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're new then subscribe, and if you're not then welcome back. So today I'm going to be going through my Brother LS14, very basic, very beginner sewing machine, and I'm going to show you how to thread your bobbin, how to thread your needle using your back stitch, and basically just using the basics of your machine. So stick around, I'm going to make it very clear, very simple, and just going to be able to allow you to understand your sewing machine and just follow it through. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring this little pole up. This is where the thread is going to go, which is right here. Then something I always like to do is cut a little bit of thread so it's nice and sharp, that the thread will follow the line, it will fill up the bobbin, and to disattach it just pull it. We're going to go from here all the way here, and we're going to make a loop. So let's see this. So we're going to go here, I'm going to put it there, we're going to have a circle, and then what we're going to do, bobbin, then we are just going to thread it like that. Okay, we leave this in the hole like that, and then we are going to put it right here, like that. Now, we're going to push this to the right, and what this allows to do is that it disconnects the motor from the needle, and now just going to make this little section spin. If it's on your left, the motor is not connected to your bobbin, but if you pull it to the right, it's now connected. And now we just have to press the foot pedal, and we're going to hold this for a bit. If not, it's just going to get loose. So once that's done, we use a snipper, scissors, and we cut it. And now we can just simply add it to our bobbin. So when you need one, you have to thread the machine. The first step is going down, so from here to here, down. We're just going to go down. The second step is to put it through here. The third step is to go down here and around. So we're just going to follow it up. The fourth step is, you see this little hook? We are going to pass it around. I don't know if you can see, but let's see. The fifth step, down, and right here there is a little hook. Cut again, trim. Now, where your bobbin is, you're going to take this out, put the bobbin in here, and then there's this little hook. Just go pass it through. And now what you're gonna do is, you have your little fabric. So here we have both sides together. So we're going to sew with the right sides facing together. So this is the right side, this is the wrong side. So what we're going to do is right side facing together, and the idea behind it is that we are going to stitch all around here. I'm going to use my little clippers if you want to. Here, here, and then roughly one around